We are really thankful to be here. Today it's a time to have a debate, and we people are organizing a debate over here. And the topic of the debate is village versus city. So these people sitting in front are supporting that city is better. And the people who are sitting in this row, these girls and these boys are supporting that village life or the village is better. Now let's ask one by one. First, I'm gonna ask to you why city is better. Can you explain that?
Hello, very thankful to I do debate in Mr. Pransu sir coachings, and city is a good place we do many things are here, and the good facilities in cities like hospitals, and that's many facilities are there, and do jobs in cities, and many types of facilities in their cities. Thank you. And next on.
From the village side, who wants to speak? Get it.
Today I am telling why village is better. Village is better because in village there is love and there is no pollution. In city there is many of pollution like air pollution, water pollution, noise pollution, and their village farmer are doing crops, and cities people are taking this. For that village is better. Thank you.
Very good. She's saying that village is doing a lot for the city. Now I want to ask you how your city is better.
Crops are there in cities, village, but you are giving crops to city means you are taking money also, not giving in free. You are giving crops, farmer giving crops to city means, so city means giving money not in free, and city have a nice facilities compared to this village. In city, suppose that your family someone is ill, how you can do treatment at home. In village no good hospitals are there. In city everything is there, 24-hour ambulance also active there. Thank you so much. Who's next?
Okay, so from this side, who is gonna speak? That's great. This person is gonna speak.
You say in city good hospitals and good doctor give good medicines, so he also take rupees for give medicines, and in a village is good because in village we take natural medicines in our problems, so we also feel good. So village is better comparison in city.
Okay, it's time for the city people. Who wants to speak?
Cities provide good jobs and most of harmful treatments. City provide good treatment and everything is provide city because city is so good. Next.
From village? Who wants to answer? Very good. He wants to.
Village is a better because village is a farming, and fruits and vegetables give city. Suppose that city is a bad because city is a not oxygen, and city is a 300 rupees and 15 minutes only give oxygen. Thank you.
They are selling the oxygen also, right? Yes. Okay. From city. Very good. From city.
City is good pollution. Village is no good pollution. Village is no good language. City is good language. City is good hospital. Village is no good hospital. Thank you so much.
Very good. Don't laugh. Then who wants to answer from? City. From village? From village, anybody? Right. You want to answer?
Village is a good, village is a city as is bad, so city is polluted, and village city as only earn money. So village is a good, village is supposed that not give vegetable, fruit, all thing, city is not give. So city persons is kill it. Next.
Very good, very good. They will die if the village people are not going to provide the food. Who wants to answer from city? Very good. He wants to answer.
City is better, city is good roads, good language. Village is not good language, is good, not good roads. City is good hospitals, is building is big, is mall, park, is everything is very better. City is very happy society. Village is not happy society, is fighting. Very nice.
Very good, very good. He's saying that many facilities are there in the cities, and in comparison to them, it's nothing in the village. So guys, who wants to speak from the village side? You want to speak? Very good. Speak.
Village is no fighting and city is fighting. City person no love and village person love, and cities is a park very pollution, and village no park but village field. So field is good air and fruits. So village is better.
Very good, very good. There are open fields and many things in the villages, in comparison to cities. He is trying to say that. Now who is going to speak from city side? You want to speak? Very good. You just speak.
City is good because good road, good hospital, good mall, and give village cloth and shoes and
very good. Whatever you speak doesn't matter. You just try that. From city.
Yes. In cities, girls gives freedom from families, and in village not give free freedom by the parents. So city is better. Thanks.
From next. Now Reza is gonna speak.
City is bad because city is a polluted place, and pollution is a very harmful to pupils, and village is good. Village is good because village have a fresh oxygen, and village gives in city fruit, food and vegetables. Who is next?
Okay, from city, I want an answer.
Village men are giving fruits and vegetables, so they can taking money also, and everybody is studying cities. City have a university nice, school nice, hostels also nice. So you want to become something, so you have to go in cities only. In village you can't study.
Thank you. Study facilities regarding studies. There are very less facilities available in the villages. He's trying to say that. You want to answer?
No. In the cities, if they give freedom to their girls, so their girls do bad things and they are taking money. So if a village person are taking money, so they are also giving this crops and many foods. They are doing hard work from many times, and cities person are giving some money. For that, city is bad and village is better. Thank you.
So, I want an answer from city. You want to answer?
City is so good because cities provide good techniques. We are learn good techniques, and we are living in city, and we prepare crops, and anything is provided by city. We are on anything prepare. Thank you.
From Ali Raja, I want to get an answer.
Village is good because village is not polluted and city is polluted, and COVID-19 time village persons no virus, and COVID-19 time cities persons come virus, and cities persons very kill, and village is good because village in farmer grow foods and crops, and city in factories polluted, and many types of pollutions. Because is this village is better. Thank you.
Very good. See, considered the COVID-19 time where the people were just running towards the villages, and they were shaped there. Cities had no capacity to maintain the system. So, guys, who wants to answer from this side? From this side, I want somebody else. You want to answer, right?
Village people is take liquor.
Very good.
City people no take liquor.
City people don't take it.
No, sir.
They also take it.
Yes, city people is playing cards.
Play cards.
Play cards. City people no play cards. Play cards. Thank you so much.
Okay, so from village, I just have only 5 minutes. If you want to answer something, you can speak it. Otherwise, you will lose your chance. Speak it out.
Village is better because village has food and city has no food. So city peoples, why are you take food and not city people not take food? So you die, and city is
very good. Don't be afraid. Just speak it. Speak. Don't worry. Now from this side, you need to answer.
Village people, I am understand village people also take liquor. So cities person no take liquor, and cities person take liquor and take meat. So village person no take meat, and village and cities one colony, one 65 building and one tree. So any people my field, so trees cut, and future time and city destroy, no tree, so no oxygen, any fruit. So village is better.
Yes, lack of oxygen is there in the cities. Okay, so I want an answer. Both want to answer, right?
Yes, sir. City persons taking liquor, but compared to village person, they are city person taking liquor, but village people taking liquor and doing drama in street and disturbing all colony. They cities people is taking at home and not doing any drama.
They are sitting quiet, they are not doing anything bad. So this is very
Cities provide, someone say cities not provide good foods and everything, because the cities people, technical people, he provide good food and he do organic farming. It is the cities people provide good things and good flower and good falls.
Thank you. He's trying to say that city people are very technologically advanced and they have many good things to do. Who wants to answer? Mohan wants to answer. I'm just gonna come to you.
Village persons is liquor. So city persons is take liquor. So car drive is take liquor. So city persons is car drive. So accident one person. So police thane go. So policeman is give rupees. So one person says kill me. Liquor.
Okay, so he's saying about the driving, drunken driving, right? Okay, so got it.
One sir is taking liquor is driving. Village is driving till late ticker. City is not take liquor.
Don't laugh.
Is
It's okay. You speak it.
is village is not say games. Is cars. Is money is satta.
Gamble.
Gamblers.
Gambling all the time.
Gamblers all the time. City is not gamblers. Money is not pro-life. City is good. City is listen. Is fold down. Is place good place. City. Village is not good place. City is good place. Is living. Listen. Yes, sir.
Okay, guys. So I think it's enough. It's enough for the day because we are gonna have a long video. 5 minutes more. You want 5 minutes more? Okay, I will give one chance to each, and if you want to speak it, you can do that. So let's begin with this person.
Village is a better because village is a grow cotton plants and going to city and prepare cotton cloths and men clothes. Sorry, put on. And thank you.
Very good. Put on cotton cloths. Speak it.
Village is better for comparison in city because in city people sell water and oxygen. In city water and oxygen is free, and in village water and oxygen is free, and village people give you milk, vegetables and water, vegetables and grains, pulses. So they are not live in village. You cannot survive because you have no food. So how can you survive in this world? Because in city has no cow because city people is not live cow because he has not straw for the cows.
Anybody from this side?
Village person all money gamer
Gamble.
उड़ा देने की
They waste their money.
waste their money.
Very good.
In villages, first product that's transfer in cities. So city is product prepare. After that any product go any villages and any cities, and the city is good, and that's industries here. So industries are product transfer there's other cities and villages. Thanks.
Okay, you got it.
In cities there are no trees because they are cutting trees. For that there are too many of pollution and there is no good oxygen, and cities people are taking liquor, so there is too many of problem. Sometimes they do accident when they are drinking liquor and driving car and bike, many more things. So for that it's bad, and I am saying that cities person are taking food from village person. If a village person not give food, so they can't take food, and so why their money is able to spend. So thank you.
Okay, so we are gonna close it very soon. Want to speak?
Sir, I want to. Village persons giving food So they can taking money, all are saying that giving food, so they can taking money also. And you are using these clothes, many things they are coming for cities, you are not using. Factories product in shops, many things, Maggie milk, Amul milk, many things is there, clothes. Thank you so much.
Okay guys, so thank you so much for this debate. Let's clap. All right. Thank you so much.